here is how you're able to use AI and ChatGPT to produce 6 months worth of content in a single day using this super cool technology. And I will show you guys this, and I'm pretty excited about it. So this is a brand new AI tool that I'm using right now to schedule 6 months of content in advance for me. And in this demo video, I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step and how it is using the ChatGPT API functions in order to do that. So whether you are a ChatGPT free user or pro user, there is a little bit extra of things that you need to pay that is called the OpenAI API. So this is totally different whether you are the ChatGPT Pro version. It's a different type of API charges by OpenAI, but I assure you that it is so damn cheap because I've just tested it and used it yesterday, and I can't wait to show you guys. So if let's say you want to see me in action, how I schedule the content in advance for my next month, remember to stay to the end. Welcome back to this demo video. So if you have not joined my free training on how to use ChatGPT to improve your productivity, remember to join at junlo.net/ChatGPT, and it's absolutely for free. So let's come back to this demo. So first step in doing this demo is that what you need to do is to connect your content scheduler with your ChatGPT OpenAI. And I want to show you guys my ChatGPT OpenAI. And in fact, let me show you guys a final results that I've done yesterday to show you guys which content piece that I've written is purely done by this software and ChatGPT itself. So you can refer to this piece of content. This entire thing is scheduled and is being written by the ChatGPT, is being scheduled by the AI automation software, and even added the first comment. All right. Even added the first comment. I actually added a little bit by inputting the links because I forgot to do it. But all this is being done by this automation software that I'm about to show you guys. And the content, it's really genuine because I gave the prompt exactly what I want the ChatGPT to say, right? So in order to have ChatGPT to write this content for you, we need to connect it to the OpenAI API. And it's definitely totally different than even if you are a ChatGPT Pro user, you still need to pay for it, okay? So here's a simple thing. You can go to platform.openai.com, and when you're there, you should be logged in. I want you guys to actually click API. There should be something called View API Keys. So when you click on a View API Keys, there are few tabs on the left-hand side in the OpenAI that you can see. And to produce the piece of content, you guys can have read. It is pretty quality. Okay, and it's also very my style because to say, hey, amazing friends, I only use up less than a cent. Like, I don't know how to calculate this in order to produce this piece of quality content. Okay, but in order to do that, first you need to connect your API to this software. So in order to connect with it via API, go to platform.openai.com. Just click your face, right? And click View API Keys. And I want you to actually hover over to these API keys. So first thing you need to do is just to create a new secret key. So you can input any names here. So testing, this is me doing demo. So this is me doing a demo. Test. So once you create a secret key, okay, one thing to note, this new secret key will only appear once. So that's why you need to make sure that you copy it and you save it in the safe place that you have, because once they show it once, they will not show you twice. So copy these secret keys and install the Google extension. If let's say you're interested with this Google extension, guess what? We are doing an early bird launching promotion. If you are interested, just send me a DM at here. It is go to my facebook.com/JunLoStory and send me a DM, said Content Scheduler AI, in order to get access to this early bird pricing. Okay, I'm going to launch soon. So remember to send me a DM so that I can queue you up. Whoever who jump in early, you're going to enjoy a much better rate. All right, because I'm thinking of doing a promotion where it will be starting at a certain price, and then after every other sales, it will increase by $1. So let's get back to here. So once you install this Content Scheduler AI, I want to hover over to settings. Okay, So there are a few things that you need to set. So just now we were at ChatGPT, so let's go to the ChatGPT settings. So firstly, please ensure that you are picking 3.5 turbo. Okay, yesterday I was trying to pick 4, even though I paid for a Pro, but it is not working. So please pick 3.5, whether you have a Pro version of ChatGPT or without. So here's the secret key that you copied just now, and I want you to paste it over here. Okay, so paste it over here. And what is this system prompt? So this system prompt is just to tell, just to train the ChatGPT on who you are, right? I can give you some examples. Like, for example, maybe your targeted audience, they read certain kind of books, they follow certain kind of authors like Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson. Okay, you can just input like, hey, ChatGPT, I'm a video marketing coach, just like me, June. I'm a video marketing coach. I teach people to go live at any time and anywhere using our MAP method. And my audience, they enjoy reading Tony Robbins books. You know, you can quote the specific books or which author and what kind of movie they love. You can just tell ChatGPT. This will become system prompts. It is kind of like training the ChatGPT to write the content pieces that resonate with your audience. Okay. So after you've done that, just click update key settings. I'm not going to click update here because I already done my ChatGPT settings. So that's the part 1. So the part number 2 is definitely adding your Facebook profile as well as Facebook groups. Okay, as you guys can see it now, I already added my Facebook profile link. So how do you get your Facebook profile link? It's very simple. Just hover to your Facebook, click for your own name, and then at the top here, there should be your own personal Facebook link. Just copy this, okay? And then click add. You can rename, this is Facebook profile, and just paste it and add. So since I've already added my personal Facebook profile, I'm not going to add that, but I am going to add my own personal Facebook group that is called Amazing Story. So let me just go to my Facebook group. So if you have not joined my Facebook group, remember to join at www.amazingstory, where I always share very cool tips. Just paste it here. So this is Facebook group, Amazing Story Facebook group. Okay, you can, if let's say you have a lot of different groups, you can add in. Even though you are not the admin, you can also add in as well. So right now, let's just maintain as 2 Facebook groups. Okay, so once you've done that, it's a time for us to show you guys how to schedule a post and how I can actually schedule my content for the next, I don't know, 1 month, 2 months, you name it. Okay, so firstly, I want you to go over to scheduler on the left hand side and click schedule a post. So over here, you have some post settings which will come in later on, and here's the post content. So in the post content here, you can actually use the AI generated content. Okay, now I wish to use the AI generate content to generate the content pieces that I like. Okay, so when it comes to ChatGPT, the most important thing is the prompts that you're writing. So the clearer the prompts that you give ChatGPT about it, the better. The better piece of content they're able to resonate to your style of writing. So that's why you need to teach ChatGPT and OpenAI how to write the prompts that resonate with you. So for example, in my case of scenario, I want to write a prompt that asks my family members, my amazing family members, to join our 7-day amazing video challenge. So I'll probably write a prompt. I am a video marketing coach and I am launching amazing video challenge happening on 11 August. I want to ask my Facebook friends to join us, and through this training, they will be able to complete 7 videos in a week, proven track records. Okay, they are going to meet like-minded friends who are just like them, never done video before. And I want to tell ChatGPT to write in a tonality, write in a tone that is friendly, and also add a little quote or questions at the end that will push them to take actions for as so please give me the best quote that can push people to take actions, and write in a friendly, chill manner, and add a little joke aside. You can see that you can be as detailed as possible, but this is just how I write the prompts. I like to be detailed as possible. But if let's say you don't want to be so detailed, you can just ask ChatGPT, hey, write me 10 tips that every agency owner need to know, for example. Okay, I just like to write it as detailed as possible so that it can give me a better prompt. So now I'm just going to click, I think it's good enough, right? So let me just click generate contents and see what ChatGPT is going to come up with. Okay, so once you click the generate contents, you need to wait a little while for the ChatGPT, the OpenAI working in actions. And later on, we are going to see, in order to write this piece of content, how many, usage of the API is getting it. Okay, it says, here's what is generate. Hey everyone. Okay, remember you can add emojis like bowl and everything. I have some exciting news to share with all amazing entrepreneurs and self-improvement enthusiasts. I'm launching an incredible video challenge happening on August 11th, and I want you to join us. Imagine completing 7 powerful videos in just a week, all while learning the ins and outs of video marketing from a proven expert, me. This challenge is designed specially for those who have never done video before, so don't worry if you are the newbie, you're surrounded by like-minded friends who are going through the same journey as you. So now let me share a quote that really gets your engines reviving and push you to take actions. The path to success is to take massive, determined actions. Okay, because previously I told ChatGPT that my target audience, they enjoy reading Tony Robbins stuff. Okay, I actually put it in the system prompts when I set up earlier. So, ready to say yes to this challenge? Give me an enthusiastic count me in the comments below, and let's kickstart this journey together. P.S. Remember, if you're feeling a little bit nervous about doing video, just think of it like a dance off with fear, and let's transform those butterflies into confidence and charisma, one video at a time. I think this piece is really, really fantastic. But if let's say you just don't like this piece, guess what? You can either adjust the prompts. Even though you just write 2 lines of prompts, it's all right. You don't have to write so long like me. You can click regenerate contents. Okay, if you don't love it. So this is the second time that I'm pressing this button. So later on, let us just go and check out the usage so that you guys would know how cheap it is for the OpenAI API. So now they changed the content. Can you guys see that? Hey there, fabulous friends. I'm thrilled to announce I'll be hosting. So these are the brand new piece of contents that they never written. So I think it's pretty awesome. I actually love the previous one better. Okay, so after you have done that, so what you need to do is that you can choose to upload a image, or you can generate AI image. So you can write the prompt. So I'm not really good at writing prompts for generate AI image, so let me try. Show someone. Oh my god, I have no idea. Okay, show a picture entrepreneur who are feeling winning and confident at the end of a race. So I'm just curious what it actually come up with. But I do feel that my prompt for the AI image can be better. I want it to come for me like, 4 type of images. So let me just generate the image. Okay, remember, you don't have to use the AI generated images. You can actually upload your personal image. I just want to show you guys how cool this is and see if let's say you are able to use them. Yes, I think it's fine. Like, it is pretty fun. So but I highly recommend that you use some photos related to yourself. Like in my case, I often love to choose my own picture and upload to it. So this is just how I build my authority. But I'm just showing you guys like this can even generate AI images for you. Okay, so once you have done that, so let's assume that this is fine, okay? What you need to do is just to go to post settings. You're fine with the content. Go to post settings. So you want to, let's check. Okay, you need to choose like this kind of post is Is it an offer post, engagement post, so that in the future you're able to know how many contents that you've scheduled. You do not want to make offer posts every single time, because this will make your audience bored and in the end hurt your organic reach. So sometimes you want to make an offer post, sometimes you want to make like a lead generation post, a question post, a quote post. So in my case, it's an offer post, so I'm just going to click offer. But is it a hard sell or soft sell? To me, it's a kind of hard sell at the very beginning. So I just click offer post. Don't worry about this. This is more about your categorization, okay? So after that, you can then tell the system when you want to post it. Okay, I'm not going to post it for real, but I'm just going to show you guys you can do the scheduling. And let's assume that I want to post it on 29 July 2023. You can pick the timing. Okay, this timing, it will actually follow your local timing. At a time that you are picking this time, I highly suggest that you pick the time that you are going to be with your laptop and have your Facebook running. Just you don't have to do anything about the Facebook. You just need to keep the Facebook tab open, because that is when the Facebook tab is open, only the content scheduler can help you to run behind in the background and post it for you. If let's say your laptop is off, your Facebook is off, they are not going to do anything. So I highly recommend to pick a certain time. Maybe it's your morning time, it's a working time, to have this post done it for you. So where to post, you can pick two places. So you can pick, I just want to post it in amazing Facebook group, or you can select all, okay? It's up to you. So here's the magic. You can repeat posts. Remember just now I told you guys, you can ask ChatGPT to repeat this kind of posting for you. You can say like, hey, I want to post it like every 7 days. Every 7 days, I'm just going to post this similar type of content. And the number of posts, I want to post it 3 times. So meaning for every, this kind of post will be ongoing for the next 3 weeks, or maybe next 1 month. Okay, 4 times next 1 month, maybe 8 times next 2 months, right? Post frequency index, every 7 days only is going to post once. And you can even apply the first comment. Obviously, I'm asking people to join my amazing challenge, right? So join 7-day amazing challenge here. You want to put a emoji and then just click amazingchallenge.us. Just put a hand signature down below and then click next. So what it's going to do right now is that ChatGPT is going to ask you, hey, is this content piece all right? Okay, so now you have done the settings. They will actually ask you like, hey, just click add. So can you guys see 1 out of 9? Because just now I said that I'm going to post for 9 times for every single week. So this is the first piece of content. If you don't like it, you can still fix the content. Okay, you can still write your instruction here, just like you're chatting with the OpenAI, and fix the content. And if let's say you're okay, just click, here's the tiny button, sorry. You can click yes schedule. If you don't love it, just click regenerate content. So imagine that I love it, and including the pictures, I didn't put any pictures here. I just want to show you guys how it works. Just click yes schedule. And this is another piece of content. I think it's pretty similar. I want to regenerate content, right? You can click regenerate, or if let's say you still don't love it, just click fix content. Shorten the entire message. Focus on, if you don't face the fear now, then when? So after that is going to regenerate content, and you can fix the contents if you want, okay? So after that, you can click yes schedule, and all the way up until the night. So you will feel like it is repetitive, but that is one really, really awesome functions. It's called SPINTAX. So what do I mean by SPINTAX? So I just assume that I'm just going to fix the content and submit everything. So let me just click schedule. Okay, just to show you guys. And I'm just going to show you guys the SPINTAX version, okay? So I'm just going to click the schedule. Okay. Once I click the schedule, so it is currently scheduling behind the scenes. All right. So success, all posts have been scheduled successfully. So let's check our schedule. Can you guys see that I schedule it every 7 days up until September? And all I didn't do any single thing, this schedule do it all for me. So there's another thing that I want to show you guys. Okay, later I'm just going to delete this because I need to rewrite the prompt. So this is just to show you guys how it works. So there are a lot of different types of content that you can schedule. Like for example, we always love to schedule those kind of posts with this background. Remember, this if let's say you want to write this kind of post, the quote post, like this kind of quote post, right? You want to make sure that your content is less than. Please make sure. Please make sure content less than 130 words. Okay, and ask a question related to lead generation of my audience business. Okay. Keep the questions fun and engaging. So this is the prompt. So let us just click generate content and see what it gives us. So I think it's still too long. Less than, oh wait, it's not less than 130 words, it's 130 characters. Okay, characters. So let me just regenerate. Want to multiply leads? Which self-improvement books has helped you most in growing online business? I think that's pretty great. It is exactly what my audience will be interested. So you can, if let's say you don't love it, just change your prompt. So here's another thing that I want to show you guys. Do you guys see that to use the SPINTAX in your content? So sometimes you do not want to have your content look too similar every 7 days or every 14 days, right? So that's why you want to use this syntax. So this syntax is a prompt that you're giving to this software. So let's try. So what is this syntax is all about is that every single time that ChatGPT is running the prompt, it will give you a different type of content so that it doesn't appear like too similar. So let me just take an example. Let me just copy this. Okay. Please make sure content less than 130 character. Give me top quote by the author below and make sure it is famous quote. Okay, maybe the first author I want to be like Tony Robbins. I really love Tony Robbins. And the second, maybe I want Russell Brunson. Okay. Maybe the third one, what book that you read? Okay, Mel Robbins, just an example. So what it means by it will actually create for the variation. So sometimes ChatGPT is going to generate the variation for the top quotes by Tony Robbins and sometimes top quotes by Russell Brunson. So they give it a lot of different variation, right? So right now I'm just going to regenerate the content. Your life comes down to the decisions, and if you change your decision, you will change everything. So regenerate again. I believe it will be a different Russell Brunson. Your message matters, share it with the world. So maybe this doesn't touch you. So that's why it is very important to really write the prompts. Think of what kind of prompts, be as detailed as possible. This is my definitely cool tips for you guys. If let's say you want to learn how to write a better prompts, just go to my free ChatGPT course that is at junlo.net/ChatGPT. Okay, so this is just an idea for you guys. And most importantly, they can even post this type of, content. And yeah, I prefer, give me a top questions. Give me a top questions related. Okay, I want to post some question. Hold on, let me just rewrite this. Post a great questions by asking my audience about their entrepreneurial journey. Keep the questions interesting and engaging. So let me just regenerate the content again. I have press regenerate contents pretty a lot of times, right? What's your biggest breakthrough moments on your entrepreneur journey so far? I think that's a great question. If let's say you do not want to have this hashtag, delete hashtag. So that's my next prompt. Okay, so regenerate again. All right, what's pivotal moment in your entrepreneur journey ignited your passion for personal growth? I don't like it. You can regenerate again. What's been the most game-changing moment in your entrepreneur journey? That's something that I love. So once you're okay with that, you can then go to the post settings. As I mentioned to you guys, you can just select this should be, I would say, value post. Maybe it can be a question post or encouragement post. Okay, and you can select the encouragement post and pick the date again and set the timing. And also remember which group that you want to post it. You can repeat the post. You can repeat for the next, I don't know, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Just pick as many as you want. You're repeating this for 20 times, and every 7th day you want to post it. It is almost 20 weeks worth of content just scheduling by writing a prompt to ChatGPT and have this content schedule do everything for you. And guess what? You not necessarily that you have to post in your own Facebook profile and only in your own Facebook group, but you can also schedule it in other people Facebook group, be it whether you are, I don't know, in part of any other Facebook group that is very famous where you constantly get leads about that. You don't have to worry about your VA forgot to post this content. Technically, this content scheduler is replacing yourself and replacing your VA, and even you don't have to come up with the content yourself. You just need to block your time maybe once a week or once a month to really write prompts to this content scheduler and have them do it for you. And remember, I am doing an early bird launching, and I'm not going to review the price here. So if let's say you want to know more about the price, just send me a DM. My Facebook is facebook.com/JuneLowStory. So send me a DM. My Facebook is facebook.com/JuneLowStory. DM me, say that you are interested in content scheduler AI tool. Okay, the earlier that you look for me, the better, because when I launch this early promotion code, we are going to start from a price tag each month. But after every other sales, we are going to increase by $1. So if let's say you want to get access to this content schedule AI real super deal price, you do not want to miss this out. Sure, I promise you guys that after I've done all the scheduling using the OpenAI API, I'm going to show you guys how much I have used up in the dollar. It's not even a dollar in the OpenAI. Here's the answer. Based on the entire demo video that I've just seen, I've never done any extra scheduling. Just solely based on that, I've only used up, 10 cents, right? So that's why it's pretty cheap. So not to worry that it's going to send you a pretty big bill on the OpenAI. So it is pretty cheap. Okay. So remember to send me a DM, facebook.com/JuneLowStory. Okay. With that, I hope that you guys been enjoying this so far. Whether you are getting this software from me, no problem as well. But I have 2 things for you. The first one is to get access to our free ChatGPT course. It is absolutely for free. You can share around with your friends and family. It's at junelow.net/ChatGPT. And also, we are having this 7-day amazing video challenge. If you want to be able to create a live video anytime, anywhere, just like me and 300 of my clients and students, just go and join as www.amazingstory.us, and you are at the end of the challenge. You're going to produce 7 videos in a week with daily live coaching with me as well. You are going to be so confident, and you're going to network around with a bunch of like-minded friends who are just beginning just like you, and there are grand prizes to be won as well if you are part of this challenge. So with that, I'm going to sign off, and I'll see you guys in the next AI automation video then. Take care. Bye.